When the past refuses to let go, it's time to bring in the machines that don't take no for an answer. Get ready to watch them tear through stumps and clear the way. Welcome to Discover Tech. Let's get to work. The stumps winning, no contest. I'm genuinely unsure of the reasoning behind that ladder placement. It doesn't seem very safe or efficient. One wrong move and everything falls apart. This 30-inch pine is packed with dangerous tension, but the arborist remains calm and cautious. He makes precise bore cuts, carves a textbook release notch, and handles the wedge with perfection. It all looks like a simple performance, though in reality, it's incredibly difficult. I'm all in on this method. Sometimes nothing beats the old school way, especially when you're up against a burrow that doesn't want to go anywhere. With some clever thinking and classic leverage, even the toughest trees can come down.
Whoa.
The La Cruz hydraulic eradicator transforms root removal into a streamlined, high-efficiency process. Utilizing a triple rod mechanism and tooth roller powered by an independent hydraulic system, it delivers precise and consistent performance, even against deeply embedded root systems. A masterclass in mechanical synergy. In extreme environments where roots, rocks, and ice challenge every machine, the Tana shark thrives. Designed for dominance in unforgiving terrain, nothing resists its bite. Never write off old gear too fast. This video proves it. That worn-out Lame AT 100 sawmill looked like a goner, but with a bit of elbow grease and know-how, it's back in action and working like a charm. Sometimes the best tools are already in your shed. You just have to see the potential. The MS-461 growls to life, its teeth sinking deep into the thick bark of a towering giant. Every cut is deliberate, not just removing wood, but commanding it. With each slice, the stump yields, breaking down into clean firewood. It's more than a chainsaw. It's the perfect balance of grit, steel, and skill. Successful large-scale tree transplantation demands a machine that balances strength with surgical precision. And the Tree Spade Optimal 1400 is engineered to do exactly that. With a 140 centimeter root ball diameter and a 90 centimeter digging depth, it ensures minimal root disturbance. Its wide working span, adjustable gait, and strategically placed blades streamline the process, making it a reliable solution for landscaping and arborist professionals. Nature paints perfection every day, and yet we keep reaching in with erasers, cutting down that towering tree. For what? A bit more sunlight on a pool? A better view of a billboard? It makes you pause, makes you wonder what kind of legacy we're carving into the earth. They came prepared, chainsaw in hand, lawn tractor at the ready. But the margin was razor thin. One wrong angle, one misjudged notch. And that tree, it didn't just hit the yard, it hit the house. Every cut we make tells a story. Sometimes it's a cautionary tale.
The donuts!
Ah yes, weekend vibes. Sun's out, tools ready, and one angry stump just daring you to try. But bring in the Bobcat 343, small but mighty, and that root ball doesn't stand a chance. The situation clearly requires extreme precision and composure. Despite significant instability in the load, the driver remains calm and controlled, a testament to skill under pressure. Outcome uncertain, but execution so far is impressive. With every turn of its rugged wheels, the MTZ stirs the spirit of the deep woods. This compact red titan pulls towering timber through mud and root like it's gliding. Its grapple arm doesn't just lift, it sculpts, placing each trunk with calm precision. This isn't just machinery at work, it's man and metal mastering the wild. For operations requiring a balance of power, adaptability, and user-friendly controls, the Galatra 400 paired with the Pleasance Equipment Biomass Harvester offers an ideal solution. Engineered to perform in challenging terrain, it streamlines biomass collection with exceptional efficiency. Despite its compact dimensions, the A1124 tractor delivers exceptional performance. Powered by a robust AGCO Power 4.4 AWF engine, generating 124 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque, and paired with the Palm's 7.86 trailer and crane, this setup provides outstanding lifting capacity and maneuverability, making it an optimal choice for intensive forestry operations. The Stiegel MS-881 delivers a powerful combination of precision and strength, especially when paired with the MS-382. This setup enables operators to handle large diameter timber with safety and efficiency. It's a prime example of expert technique supported by superior engineering. Utilizing the John Deere 333G compact track loader with a mulching head presents an efficient and sustainable solution for managing diseased hazelnut trees. By processing the trees on site, the system eliminates the need for felling, hauling, and burning, operations that are both time-intensive and potentially hazardous. The EOG 688E harvester is built for serious forestry work. That rotating cab, total game changer for visibility. Add in the advanced controls and pair it with the War H415 head and Timite H-16 system. And you've got insane cutting accuracy and output. Smooth to operate, comfortable to sit in, and powerful enough to boost both yield and safety. This setup's a pro's dream. This machine delivers furniture-grade cuts with remarkable consistency. Each pass is precise, each finish smooth, a testament to refined engineering and mechanical balance. For professionals who value both performance and material quality, this is a benchmark tool.
On the 160, gonna make some nice work of this. There's some big stumps over, so it's a mixture of stuff. Nothing gets hauled off site.
Without question, the ripper attachment is one of the most effective, yet often overlooked, tools in excavation. Though less visually striking than some implements, its performance speaks volumes. When combined with the strength of the Kobelco SK160, it delivers unmatched precision and reliability in tough ground conditions.
But right now, there's something like so. Just make a box around it. And there's a down here. Once you got rocks in the ground like this, you gotta do a little fling one at it. Done that. Shake the dirt out of it. Right out the deep one. There's taproot. Some pine trees have taproot, some don't. We'll get the dirt out of this. Well, I should say that's kicking butt. That makes